This is what I call the bicycle trick shot. Yes! Here we go. Oh!
Hey Twitter, happy birthday. Congratulations on 10 years. In celebration, I'm gonna cook you up a little surprise. I baked you up a little cake. What?
Don't eat me! Don't eat me! No! No! No!
You save up enough money. My piggy bank! Come back with my money! Just making some coffee. And that's really why I like multiplication, because it's really...
I'm gonna go check on the laundry.
Okay. Oh, I won. Huh? Being a tourist makes me hungry. Oh, that's a sweet looking sky today. That's a tasty cloud. Lego. Yellow. Keep laundry fun. I don't have a case to protect my phone because I have this feature called Jello Mode. Check it out. Work in progress. Jello!
Hi, Steve.
This is how I double my money. Might be illegal. Here we go. Yeah. Nice. Sometimes life isn't always as it seems. Wait, what? If you kick a soccer ball just right, get a puppy. 1 second. Come in. Shotgun!
Zach, wrong car.
Hole in one. So I'm having this weird problem with my phone. See, watch whenever I swipe. Isn't that weird? And that's how you like your own video. Ugh.
Help me, I'm in the desert and I need water. Like this video in 3, 2, 1. Oh, thank you.
Make some modern art? Like this video in 3, 2, 1.
Photobombing Mac and Ryan shoot.
Beep, 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 beep.
Oh, hey everybody! I love meeting up with my fans. Look out! Dude, hold this. Awesome!
Legal.
Yellow. So I'm having this weird problem with my phone. See, watch whenever I swipe. Isn't that weird? So many shoes, I bet you'd kill if someone put them on.
I don't know if I kill. Yeah, try this.
These are awesome!
Oh my god.
Thanks, Whoopi. True Papa Book, this is awesome. Okay. Oh, skateboard, nice. Oh, that's awesome. Oh! Oh no!
I'm here in beautiful Dubai.
If you didn't get me something for Valentine's Day, that's okay. Like this video in 3, 2, 1, go! You guys, it's awesome. Box of chocolates. Oh. Happy Valentine's Day. Eat cereal. You want to do some online shopping? You save up enough money. My piggy bank! Come back with my money! Watch this.
Oh, that was crazy.
Get it just right, you can...
Test 2.
Hey. Hit it. Hey buddy. Over here.
Time to face my greatest fear! Yeah. Funny. Oh, that's perfect. Oh! No!